Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we will visit Scotney Castle and Bodiam Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe to my channel. So if you're ready, let's go! I just arrived on Scotney Castle. And there is the two castles, this old castle and new castle. Behind me is a new castle. The old castle is basically, it's in the middle of the lake. It looks beautiful, the old castle, just because of it's in the middle of the lake. I like these kind of castles when you have a moat or the water around the castle. Looks like the floating island. Scotney Castle was built from 1378 to 1380 by Roger Ashburnham. Construction of the castle began as a roughly rectangular fortified house with towers in each corner. Original plan of the castle, how it's supposed to look like, has never been finished. The castle was rebuilt in Elizabethan architecture style in 1580 and again in 1630. The royal family, who owned the estate for some 350 years, hired Jesuit priests who were preaching at the time when Catholicism was illegal in England, and during the second raid by authorities to arrest the priest, he fled over the wall into the moat and escaped. And behind me is believed to be a priest's hall when he was hiding there. So basically he was hiding inside like that. It's kind of very small room. For me it will be not much space left. In 1778, Edward Hussey bought the estate, and his grandson, also Edward, built the new castle in 1843, which one is behind me. We will go inside and we will see if I can film inside the castle, because I'm thinking it's still like people living there inside. So I just took the tour inside the castle. I think it was too dark for the camera. So if you want to see how the castle looks like inside, because it's very beautiful, the architecture, everything inside, you can follow me on Twitter. And also sometimes on video you will see maybe around the video is like a cloud. This is the camera. I think that somehow the condensation are going inside the camera. Sorry about that. So yeah. So we are on the Bodiam Castle. It looks magnificent, right? Also, this castle is a quadrangular castle. It has no keep, so basically the buildings is built all around the wall. Bodiam Castle was built in 1385 by Sir Edward Dalingry, a former knight of King Edward III, ostensibly to defend the area against the French invasion during the 100 Years' War. When Richard III became king in 1483, a force was dispatched to besiege Bodiam Castle, but it is unknown whether the siege went ahead. It is thought that Bodiam was surrendered without much resistance. We are on top of one of the towers. I'm scared of heights, so it's always like very scary looking down. In the 17th century, the castle was subsequently dismantled and was left as a picturesque ruin until it was bought by man Jack Fuller in 1829. Bodiam Castle is one of the most romantic and picturesque castles in Britain. If you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next video.